In this episode, we're going to introduce you to the Mazda MX-3, the $500 race car. It's the 92 MX-3, and yeah. It's got a legal roll bar, legal seat. It's got the roll bar padding. It's got, let's see if it has an engine. Well, of course. Yes, it does. Nice hood latch there. Lightweight. Yeah, it's got a 2.5 liter V6 out of a MX-6. So we got about 180 horsepower, which is quite a bit for this little car. Es un Le Mans, muy Le Mans. So yeah, it was last run in Sonoma, 2014. Tech inspection, good enough. So the belts. Belts have expired, so we need to replace those. We're going to do that today. And yeah, you can see the doors are all gutted. Yeah, everything's all gutted. It's a race car. So yeah, well, this is with the new camera, so hopefully this comes out really nice. It's really cool. It's got this nice touch of the trailer taillights. Actually, I was trying to find some of the stock ones, and they're pretty hard to find. These cars are long since gone to the junkyards by this time. So yeah, didn't really. I think we're gonna have to stick with the trailer lights. And we got a spare set of used 200 tread wear tires and a lot of spare parts, but yeah, maybe we'll see if this engine runs. Start it up, stuff. So yeah, there you go. It's the Grapatio MX-3. And there's the previous drivers. Bought it from Charlie Sawyer. And thanks so much to Charlie, because man, you can't get a running race car for $350. He just wanted it out of his driveway before the holiday. So yeah, there you go. That's the weapon. We're going to be taking it out tomorrow, running it in Thunder Hill. Coming into Willow's Thunder Hill. Gotta get a sign in, so I gotta get up.